Wait, is that mine? Black coffee? Thanks. Oh, hey, do you love Starbucks? You may not want to watch this.
All right, hit it.
Look, I love the fact that Starbucks has so many vegan options. It's fantastic. A company with 16 million locations in 25,000 countries.
All over the world.
Offering vegan creamers, vegan pastries, avocado toast. It's great. It's showing that the vegan movement is getting incredible traction. And this is actually a great thing. I love it. However, Starbucks makes the worst coffee in the world. They burn their beans beyond recognition. And then they load in the sugars and the goop and the frozen stuff sent in from Seattle.
And it's not even ready yet!
And they put a plastic lid on it that doesn't have a straw anymore. Next time you go to Starbucks, don't go to Starbucks. Walk out, turn left or right, look for a local roastery, local coffee shop that knows how to treat beans, knows how to roast them to perfection. It makes all the difference in the world. It actually makes it so you can enjoy a cup of black coffee in your to-go mug. These Keep cups are great, by the way.
Best sippy cup ever.
Go to your local roaster, check them out. It's worth it. These smaller coffee shops are going to have vegan options. They'll have even more vegan options than Starbucks. Take the time, find a local roaster, and start drinking black coffee.